Hello students, this is our last part, the conclusion, and though it is conclusion, it is the very important part of the chapter which will tell us all about the French Revolution was. Napoleon Bonaparte. As we have seen earlier that after the Reign of Terror, there was the rule of directory. Directive was the committee set up to check the two legislative councils which was at that time. There were frequent clashes among the members of the directory, and it gave rise to the Napoleon Bonaparte. He got entry in the ruling to rule the France. In 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself Emperor of France. He conquered neighboring European countries and placed there members of his family. In the neighboring European countries, he made his family members the king there. Initially means in the starting, many saw Napoleon as a liberator who would bring freedom for the people. When Napoleon came into power, people thought that he will bring freedom for people, but soon the Napoleonic armies came to be viewed everywhere as an invading forces. As we have seen earlier, that in the neighboring countries, he established his family members as the rulers. So he just became he was not the liberator, but he was the invader. Invade करना मतलब किसी दूसरों के राज्य में घुसपैठ करना. He became the invader. He was finally defeated at Waterloo in 1815. 1815 में Waterloo के युद्ध में he got defeated by Britain, and thus 11 years rule of Napoleon ended. Reforms. But he was a good reformer. He is still remembered as the reformer, which we come to know that the Civil Code of 1804, usually known as the Napoleonic Code, did away with all privileges based on birth, established equality before the law. We have seen that the social structure of the French was such that only the members of first state and second state who were privileged by the birth enjoyed the life. All the others, means the members of the third state, were not living a good life. So he introduced the Napoleonic Code, where he introduced equality. It secured the right to the property. He introduced a uniform system of weights and measures provided by the decimal system, and many of his measures that carried the revolutionary ideas of liberty and modern laws to the other parts of Europe had an impact on people long after Napoleon had left. It means still we are using this uniform system of weights and measurements, decimal system that we are using. Legacy of the French Revolution. That is the very important part of the chapter. The ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity were the most important legacy of the French Revolution. The Declaration of the Rights of Men and Citizens gave rights such as right to life, freedom of speech, equality before the law. These all things, these all rights citizens got after only the French Revolution. These ideas spread from France to the rest of Europe during the 19th century, where feudal systems were abolished. The ideas which were incorporated during French Revolution, they spread to nearby countries of the Europe or faraway countries of the world, and people started opposing the feudal system, and slowly and gradually this system was abolished. It inspired the Germans, Italians, and Austrians to overthrow their oppressive regimes that we will come to know about. We will study about that in 10th class. Women actively participated in the revolution, and it marked the beginning of women movement across France and the world. We have seen how women participated in all the movements and how they fought for the political rights, and they fought for it for years and years, and after in 1946 they got the right to vote. Two Indians who responded to the ideas of coming from revolutionary France are Tipu Sultan and Raja Ram Mohan Roy. This is Tipu Sultan and this is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Influenced by the revolution, colonized people of Asia and Africa demanded liberty, equality, and justice from their colonial masters. It means there were so many countries where there were colonies of British and French people were established. Colonies means वहाँ पर जाकर ये लोग rule कर रहे थे, which led to the beginning of national movements in their country. Like in our India, we were being ruled by the Britishers, and these two persons, they were highly influenced by the French Revolution, and thus they incorporated these ideas in their rule as well. Thanks, have a nice day, and this is the end of the chapter. Happy learning.